You started with a whisper, now you're on the stage. So you cannot transform your life with the old mindset which is holding you back. If you had met me 1 year back, you would not have seen this Priya. I'm an HR professional, works for Acuity Knowledge Partners. So as an HR professional, I'm supposed to be empathetic, more confident, and people friendly. But you won't believe I was none of like this. I was completely different and I was low on confidence. You won't realize, you won't believe. At certain point of my life, I was like that I want a job which can be paid me enough, but I don't have to speak anywhere. I was cutting corners from all the meetings everywhere. And not only this, I was really struggling at my personal life too. I was not happy at all. I was like many others, especially women. I was also dependent on my family members and my loved ones for the decisions, for my happiness. I was always seeking validations and approval for my small and simple decisions. And by doing many things in my past, this time at this stage, around like 35 years, I dropped. I thought I gave up. I cannot do anything more on communication. It was the only belief I was carrying with me that it is communication which is holding me, and because of the communication I'm not able to grow and my career is not growing, and maybe that is the reason I'm not getting respect. I'm not able to take my decisions also. But then something which was stayed in me always, I did not wish my daughter should also go through all this. I wanted to work for her, and I deep inside I also wanted for work for me. Someday, with some divine grace, with the same underwear, when I have been enrolling for lots of other certification and webinar, I enrolled for webinar, and I seriously forgot that too. That when did I do it? Because when you don't pay, you don't give attention to. I don't remember when I joined the webinar, and the webinar was like that at that moment when sir was already seeking registration. And the moment sir was saying, it was around like the cost was very less, very economical. And I thought, let's give me one more chance. Why not to join? And there itself, the transformation started. I joined Silver Session. I was starting to understand that communication which I have been believing from years, it's all about speaking. It was not at all that. I need to work, as I mentioned before, that I was understanding there's a lot which we have to do in terms of our mindset. Learning, listening with the intention, speaking with the intention, listening from heart. And there were lots of changes, positive things which I was observing in myself. I was shifting, I was becoming more intentional, I was becoming more calmer inside me. And since I told you that I was already late in my life and I did not wanted to wait more, and I started inquiring. When I see many faces like Amarjot, Lucky, there were many, and I was seriously feeling that what is this diamond? And I started inquiring with sir and Gopal. To be honest, I was with humble request to sir that please increase the frequency of diamond showcases. I had to wait for 1 month to attend that showcase. So then I quickly enrolled for that, and I can't tell you how much I'm thankful to coach for that very first session which I had with him. That was one-on-one session. The session was that structured, and I can't tell you that I really started crying at that moment. Mm-hmm. Not because that I was weak, not because my problems were big. It's just because like I understood there was someone to whom you can open your heart, to whom you can share your all the vulnerabilities, to whom you then, and the person, it's not about the sharing, the person who is having that expertise too, the person who can actually give you the right direction. And it's not that he's listening, but listening without any biasness, without any judgment, and then giving you. And then he held a mirror in front of me. He told me that it is not about, I understood, it's not, there were no, it was me who was holding my way. I was the blockage. It was my mindset. And communication is one side, and there are many other things. I don't say that I have come so far for that, but then I understood it was not only the single thing, and I was required to work on those things. So today, with with all the humbleness and with all the support, and I can say this was the best decision of my life, that I took part of community and I joined Diamond. Today I'm more happy. I am making network. You won't believe, I want to say, the girl who was cutting corners from all the meetings, did not wish to go for any job, is attending lots of alumni meetings and making network with you and manywhere else, and understood that the game is in the participation and the valuable contribution. Not only this kind of role which I have been looking out in my professional life from last 3 years, I wanted to go into technology. Being in HR, I wanted to look for some dream role, and I got that. So it's all about your mindset. What I want to say here, my message to all of you, whoever is listening here, and if you think this my story is some way resonating to you, and if you also feel that you are also stuck some way, and you don't need any fixing. You don't need any fixing at all. All you need, little clarity, some proximity, and the right direction. If it worked for me, it can work for you too. Thank you.